Jamrock Home. Presents The Reject. Jamaican Movies Full. Starring Sister Petra, Ethic Boss.
Alright, mommy and daddy, later. I mean, no, mommy and daddy, they go take this news here, you know. Trust me. Because people, they must send me to school to get me proper education, and now this can't happen to me. Let me just call Errol and see where him there. Because me nah got me no know him. I have to go find a way and do sitting about it. Because me know say mommy and daddy nah go want me there. Oh. Errol, morning, how are you there? Meet me at the same place. I remember say time they go hurry up because we don't want late for school. Me this a left out of me yard. Alright, hurry up.
Better make sure that she have bus here for me, you know, and lunch money, you know. Every morning me have to meet her about same spot. Every single morning I same thing with her. My wife?
Yes, my husband. Yeah, Petra gone to school already?
Yes, my wife, she just get her lunch money and she gone to school, but she never look too pleased, my wife.
So what is wrong with her?
Look like say she the one little more little extra.
Well, we don't have it, and I guess she understands that. You know, I was thinking this morning, you know, I was saying to myself that, why she make me proud, sir.
Yes, my wife, you can see that she holding up her head, you know.
Yeah, oh my God, when I look at her little face, when I look at it, you know, remember a lot of these children, you know, they don't have nothing about them, you know.
That's true.
And they make them parents shame. You see how we neighbor Pickney them tan? You see the amount of them who drop out of school?
Exactly, my wife.
They all expel some of them. Why did they Pickney? They're all them destructive, sir.
My wife, I don't think I could live with myself if me hear say Petra get out of control, you know.
Our daughter won't do nothing like that. You know, see how she hold up her head? She try her best to make me proud, so
yes,
we can't say anything. You see all that there neighbor there? You see how in daughter this come up so and breathe. You see how much picnic from she drop out of school she have?
And she not even say make she go back to school or nothing. No ambition school. She don't have the
not
wife.
Even one. You know see how much picnic papa she have? She have 3 picnic and she not reach nowhere yet.
Mighty God.
She just they got turn 18 and had 3 picnic and they don't even have nothing for yam, not even food for yam. And you can imagine the mom must feel shame.
She have to.
And when she
because
over,
the kids them let her down big time.
And she try, you know. And when she look for Philly Pickney and see how she is grow nice and she just do every little thing to please we.
Yes, my wife, she must feel that way and I feel it for the mother, you know.
But have to
right?
we are neighbors.
Because you can't know when them pick me intention, you know, my wife. So we that even swear for our one because we don't know where she will come out to be, you know, my wife.
I understand, but we are not swearing for her. It's just the way how she hold up her head.
Yes.
That's why what we don't do. Scatter roses after she gone. She's doing a good job, man.
That's
so we
true,
have to tell her when she's doing a good job.
That's very true.
We don't swear for her nor anything, but she could have never go do nothing wrong and to see how we they suffer. Look at the place. The place won't fix up.
My wife all out of door and bad, you know. My wife I can't manage you. She said me sick from what the
I know, my baby, I know. And if I did feel good too, I would go and chop out there, but I don't feel good at all.
All the wind that I want buy a couple more blades for put in the wind of my wife, but why?
Where are you going to get money from and we don't have anybody giving us anything? Where are we going to get the money from to fix the window?
My wife, what I was saying, like how your Monica good friend, my wife.
right?
Mm-hmm.
What you think about if you could ask her if when she coming down, if she could carry a laptop for Petra, so she can get to do more research and can get to do her exam and so little better.
Oh Lord.
You know that she gonna have SBA soon, you know, so she are gonna need a little laptop.
You know, that's a good idea. I really have to smile because I didn't know you were thinking
Yes,
so much of
wife.
our daughter. That's a good idea. And you know that she will bring it for us, you know. And worse, when we tell her that she's doing good in school and so, she will help us.
I think
So I'll call her later and let she know and when she coming, because I think she says she coming down next week. So when later on, I'll call her and let she and tell her about it.
Yes,
You hear?
my wife, because we have to make preparation from now, you know, my wife. So
Of course,
she can
of
get
course.
familiar with the laptop and stuff like that, my wife.
That is true. That is true. Because we never have that, you know, and even though we pour on something, we have to really push out
Yes,
hard
we have
for
to
her
push out.
to become something great in life.
Yes, my wife.
So she can take me out of this poverty. Eh? Look how we just suffer. Maybe that's why she working so hard at school.
Yes, my wife, you know that we're struggling and we try our best to make sure that she don't miss a lesson.
Yes. So, why me I tell her? So I don't feel good like how you say she don't look so pleased with the little money. But she know that that's what you have and she don't normally complain.
No, she never did a complain, but you can see the look on her face that she not really pleased, my wife. She not complaining. You know that girl don't complain.
Okay.
She know how to satisfy.
Okay, so alright, well. Say me no know how me man I go take this here, you know. You don't know how him I go take this here. But he have to take it because him breed me. Oh, because my parents say me sure I know say them not go take this here. No, they don't tell me to come out of them place, so he have to put me up. Better mind how he all talk to me all like today. Oh, every day him come him a problem. Girl, like I say, he a problem more than anybody else. Me can't talk to him about nothing. But me no business if he want vex today. If they chat to him and make him know what they happen. Oh. That me a tell him. Yes, me sit down here suffer when I you this they crawl and come.
So you never wait up there, so when me have to come way down here suffer now.
Ah, yeah, so me want to talk to you. So you they go long suffer?
Late in a man.
Yeah, mosquito they bite me.
Sure.
And now you know say you're late, then if you know say you're late, why you then come out early?
You couldn't wait for me up there, so.
Me then want to wait there, so. Me no make you there drop and tap tail light for me. So what, morning? You know hear me say morning? You come and you this a galang, so what me do you? Give me a kiss. Say the galang, so for every day you have to vex up yourself.
Me late, me have exam this morning.
So because you have exam, you have to vex up for me. Me can't talk to you one time and you're pleasant. So you eat breakfast already?
Yes.
How you eat this morning?
Egg and bread meat, where you eat?
Egg and bread. A tea and crackers my parents them give me because you know so they can't afford it already. You don't know that?
So your father chop out here yet?
Nah, my father still not feel good. You can't come chop out it. I know you are me man. He don't feel good and my mother not so hot neither. So they are turn same way. And me go to school so me can't do it.
Saturday morning me come down me come chop it out, but you have to help me chop it out.
Why me have to help you chop out it? Everything you do you want me to help you. Me have something to tell you, you know, and that's why me call you.
Hurry up and tell me you tell me, because make me get hot and frustrated right now. You know.
My God, damn galang
Go school. You know.
Well, me pregnant.
What?
Simple as that. It look like me pregnant. Because every minute me...
For who? For
Pregnant for you? Which Delroy? What you dey chat about? Me get up a morning time and me dey feel sick every minute all a night too. And it look like say mommy kinda suspect so. Me no know.
That's not my Pickney.
What you mean by enough for your Pickney? I know
So
you
me
every
hear
minute.
them a call up your name with Delroy.
You hear them they call up me. Listen to me. You hear them they call up me name with Delroy.
What you mean? If me hear them a call up them a call
you
up your name in a school with Delroy.
stop tell lie for me, boy. And every minute me and you go to school together. And me and you each up at school together.
I know my Pickney that. Me not ready for
I
no
feel
Pickney.
Pickney. Oh, you mean say I no feel? So why you dey try tell me say now? Every minute you see me, you want do with me, and now when me look like me pregnant, you no want the Pickney.
I know my Pickney that. But you know buy one Pepsi and put rusty nail in it and drink it.
And when me drink Pepsi and rusty nail now, a killer want kill me.
No, then say that dash your belly.
Lord have mercy. Lord God. You really want me that show me first pregnancy?
Me no want no Pickney. Me have
Oh, you mean
school,
say-
you know, me no want.
Oh, so when you dey call me every minute for do you then know say me could breed.
So why you never buy protection?
Oh, you know, see, say me parents, them not no money. Why you never buy condom? Why you never buy the condom? You come and pregnant me and now you dey come talk about why me? You blame me.
So like how your name a call up with Delroy. When you just give Delroy.
Me can't give Del right because me
Me
no
not
know.
ready for this. Me not ready for this yet.
What make you say me fi give Del right? Oh God. Errol, like seriously, you don't know say me no go so. Because everywhere I me and you there and people know and now you don't tell me say fi give other man your Pickney.
Yes, my mother hear this now. What you think say she gonna do to me?
Oh no, yeah. Well, look here, me sorry for you. Because when for me parents here, you know say me can't take because they don't live nowhere. So you know say your parents have to take me in. You have to take me in. And that me call you to tell
Me
you.
not ready for no responsibility. Where me?
So when,
Yes, you
look
go buy the
here.
Pepsi later and gain.
You don't go buy butter, you don't go drink it. Look here. Why you never keep that willy in your pants then? You should have keep
So why
it
you
what?
never keep your something in your panty same way?
Are you every minute you look
Yes,
me?
you know.
Every minute you take out your words but you want something. So that is what caused the problem. That's why we pregnant. No one of the two are we Pickney. So are you me sorry for?
Babes, we not ready for no Pickney yet. You deaf?
So what you want me to do? Kill off myself and we Pickney.
So why you not do the drink the Pepsi?
Me
when
not drink none. Me never have that. I me never plan to do that.
So you-
If
so-
my mother did drink Pepsi and rusty nail, I wouldn't be here for you pregnant me.
So oh,
So me no know. Me not
babes,
going
so
to
you not
do
worry
it.
about what your mother gonna say?
Me worry about why my mother go say, but you me no say. You have to take me in, me not too worry.
Me how to take care of me not have no house. How me gonna take care of me not have no house?
Why you raise your voice for me for? You should have known that before you take out your horse. My parents them no live nowhere. You see, say from when you hear me say me want to save up for you buy one window put in. And me can't save because every minute me come to school you want lunch. And you don't go want lunch. You want me pay your fare. And you see say me no have no money, you distress me. So too bad you have to take up your responsibility now. You see say me parents them sick. Every minute you see me, you want this, you want that, and then I work sometime I borrow the money if you send me to school. And now you're pregnant me, eh? And then they tell me every minute, say me if you come get me good education, come help them. And this you do to me.
You gonna wait till later you tell me this a news and now me have exam. Oh, me go focus.
Oh,
You
so
gonna
who
wait
the
till
hell?
later you tell me this, man.
So me alone fi take his stress. Me not take no stress by myself no more. That we do man then to chop it. Everything then keep in a their heart and make it they kill them while man they kill them teeth. Well look here, it was with us sad. Just make preparation for me and your picking. Oh. You tell your mother as you go home, cause before my parents them
Me not tell my mother nothing.
take me.
Me not tell my mother
Oh.
nothing. Me I tell her say I know my Pickney at Delroy.
Tell
Your
her
name a
what?
call up. Yeah, me not tell Delroy. You better give Delroy.
Where you are go?
You better give Delroy that. You hear me I tell you? Me no want that.
Me can't believe it. Say you really go left me and not give me a proper. Me can't believe say you not tell me nothing proper in me ears wall.
You hear me say give Delroy. Me then not talk to you, you know. You know don't come near me at school.
Oh, you mean say me not fi come near before so me tell everybody. Oh, you better wait for me. You know hear me say wait for me.
You not go to school together. You def say after today me you not go to school. What dear? What am to you?
Oh, you mean what I'm doing? Me no tell you what I'm doing already. Say me there man in sickness. You know what me now, but I got no school. Me dey go home and go tell for me mother. Oh,
Me not tell you
that me
say
I
to wait
tell you.
until later me buy the Pepsi. But you go home go tell your mother and cause another problem.
Me nah
We
cause
can
no
get over this
problem.
thing here easy without nobody
Yes,
knowing.
we don't get
And
over
me and
it
you alone
easy.
know, you know.
And me and you alone know, but yeah, you know, me nah go to school because me no feel good and me no want no chaos at school. Fi make teacher them here and see what they happen. So me dey go and go tell my parents.
So me
And
know
me
say you
sorry
never
for you.
love me, you know.
Oh, you mean say me never love you?
So
Oh,
why you go home for me not tell you say me could just go to school and then me buy the Pepsi
You
and
know-
tea and everything over, you know. Your mother not fi know, my mother not fi know. We can just done with this thing here in a secretly, you know.
oh God, I'm sorry for you. You know say you're mad. Me say me not taking any Pepsi nor no rusty nail. Me never hear of that. Me don't know of that. And you can't make me drink dirty nail. Look here, you better prepare for what don't happen. Cause you see when me go and go tell for me mother, me sure know say then don't pack me up and carry me go your parents.
Carry go
So
out
when
for
they
yard.
carry me go there, your
Them-
parents will come
You're
up
right.
and dig you out of school.
You're right. Them a go pack you up and carry go Delra yard. Not for me yard.
Which
Not for me
then
yard.
right?
Me not ready for no responsibility yet.
Let me tell you
Listen
something.
what me a try to tell you say. Me not ready for no responsibility yet. So me a tell you say, give them right, cause if they come on me yard, me a go tell my mother say, I no feel me Pickney. Me no know you. So you hear what me a say? So try make it right from now. Make we go to school and then we buy the Pepsi, lunchtime, and me give away for you. You hear me tell you say?
Well, all right.
Right now go end pretty between me and you if you go
Me
from
glad
the
you
mother
know
yard.
say now go end pretty because you're a wicked boy. Me never know the color of the other boy underpants. And you they force me to tell lie on the poor Pickney. Well, all right. Since as you they threaten me, but say now go end well with me and they fix up yourself, so me go and show you who is me because you go like you want to rule me every minute. Me they go straight at me and go tell
Me
me.
a go do my test, you know. You're lucky.
God, who ya? God, me I beg you. Me always used to hear people say, when you pray, you answer prayer. Now me I beg you, attend unto me prayer, God, from the ends of the earth. You see what happened to me I know, you know? I need your help. Please, please me I beg you, if no other time you no help me now, because me know my parents them. I wonder how me ever tell mommy this now, you know, God. When mommy see me come back from school, and all this go to him, mommy don't say, Mommy, me pregnant. No, sir, that not sound right. Me don't say, Mommy, you know say Errol pregnant me. That could never sound good. Mommy, that this lick up my face. Me don't this say, Mommy, me feel like me pregnant. Oh God, you see them a problem you know. You see what and me one in this I know, you know. Me one in this. Me no know what he said to me mother. Me no know how she a go take it. But then again, at the first grand Pickney me mother have, so maybe she want it. But then again, after we no live nowhere. And the shame what me don't cause for me, ma. I don't know what to say, man. Anything happen, I just saw it thing set up. This is going on this. So anything come at me mouth, me this say. Anything she want do me, she do me. But one thing me know, nobody now make me get rid of this pregnancy. Oh, and me want my Pickney. Oh. My husband is who pulling the door. You didn't tell me that Petra gone to school.
Yes, my wife, Petra gone. Petra? What you doing back here?
Daddy, Mommy, me have something to tell you. That's why me turn back and I go to school.
What you mean say you have something to tell us?
Open your mouth. I don't understand. Mommy, me pregnant for Errol and me sorry.
Mighty God!
Pregnant? I'm not pregnant. She said she pregnant.
And that she said my
I
wife.
don't think so.
So in a overall she
You,
my wife.
wait, what you really said to us that you're pregnant, you have a baby, a picnic, that carrying in your gut?
Not in here. Not in here, my wife.
So why you come back from school and stand up there telling us that? Mommy, me never mean for this and me no. Me no know what happened to me. Me no know what come over me make this Listen to me. All I am saying to you, right now I can't deal with this. You hear we were just talking about the little girl say how she doing well and make us proud. And you see what the little girl do to us? Listen to me, go pack up her yap them. And carry her go up her Errol yard. Make Errol parents deal with it because listen to me, your sister will not live nowhere.
My wife.
She cannot stay here.
And we just see her talking so good about her. You see what me tell you, my wife say you can't swear for them Pickney, huh?
Lord have
Look how the
mercy.
little girl left with them. Eh?
She's a disgrace. And she said up before we about she pregnant.
My wife? My wife? I'm right
Please.
up her mother yard. Me I go right now with her.
Move her out of my side.
I can't believe her.
Take her out of my side. I beg you in the name of God.
Me I go get out of this situation here, you know. I wonder how me I go get out of this situation here. I'm going to tell Petra she should drink the Pepsi and the rusty meal and the girl, she just don't want to listen to me in a star. My mother hear all this, you know, I don't even know what she going to do to me, you know. I know that she going to get rid of me, you know. My little girlfriend at school. Oh, she going to manage her in time she hear all this. You know what kind of lie me can tell my mother right now to get out of this trouble here, you know. Because I know so when time Petra she go up there, you know, one piece of bangarang she go cast up there, you know. Call my girlfriend and make she know what I go on from early, you know. Just fed up, you know. Doesn't know what to do, me I tell you the honest truth. I don't know what to do.
Hello?
Babe, they reach a school yet?
Yes, I just reached at school and I'm wondering how I don't see you yet.
One piece of something just happened to me a while ago, you know.
What happened? You alright?
You know, say Petra tell me, say she, I don't even know if to tell you. I tell you the honest truth.
What happened? What happened?
I see Petra this morning and she tell me, say she pregnant for me.
What do you mean that Petra says she's pregnant for you? You see how long I've been warning you about this girl? You see how long I've been warning you? I tell you to come out of that girl company, you know. And now you tell me that she said that she's pregnant for you.
Babes, remember say, you
Listen
tell me say she and Delroy there, you know, babes.
Yes, me tell her say she and Delroy, they Mr. She and Delroy together, but listen to I this a call me to tell me in the morning. I this a call me to tell me in the morning. The only thing I have to tell you is stay here. You see, if she really pregnant for you, it's over.
Babes, hear me and say, I just too, she knows say my mother have money make she a babes say, you know. She just want to give me the Pickney and I know say I know my Pickney babes.
You know say it's not your child. You got there before?
One time me ever do it. One time I remember me tell you, know. One time can pregnant somebody, babes.
Listen to me. Listen, you see if you keep your hood in your pants, you see if you keep your stick in your pants, this won't happen. You hear what me have to say? And as long as, listen me, if this really happened, listen, I don't have anything to say to you. I can't deal with you right now.
Babes, Jesus Christ, mighty God, I really get myself, you know. Let me come go. I will really get myself in, you know. Everything just a turn against me. Every single thing just a turn against me. But I'm go up a yard before all Petra she reach up there and go tell my mother this, you know.
You're not staying at the house another night. Not another night you're not staying at the house.
Daddy, me sorry.
Take this back from me.
Daddy, me never mean be pregnant me.
Listen me. Take this back from me and take out your clothes them from out of the drawer. You're not turning you another night. Me and your mother work so hard to send you go to school to get a good education, right? We just pay for your CXC. And look what your cost for we now. Close up your mouth and that you need to do. Without you never give him it, he couldn't get it. The two of them walk together, so the two of them agree. It's a bird of a feather flock together, and you and him flock together. Mister, take out everything out of the jar and left a piece in here. We don't want nothing in the house to remember you're from. You got disgrace to us. 1 year you have leave back in a school and look where your cast far away. Look how me and your mother put you up in the sky. And look there. Your job, you make a job right for our face.
Daddy, I'm sorry.
Every day we talk about the neighbor them Pickney. And look where you come. Mister, take out everything out of the jar. We don't want nothing for you in the house. Petra, no make me get irritably in this house here, no Petra. You hear what me say? What could have come over your Petra? You see this state when me and your mother live in a poverty, right?
Daddy, I
I say shut your mouth. You see me and your mother in a poverty, right?
Yes, Daddy.
Not even window we can buy if you finish putting a the other part of house.
Daddy, I go buy with me.
If you don't want to buy it, you get pregnant?
No.
Petra,
Era say my contract 40 years.
Petra, listen to me. You is a disgrace to me. You bring shame coming out with yard. The people look down upon with Petra.
Daddy, me never mean because she a pound. Me sorry.
God, I never know that Shadow would have come in my yard. You come and try with this girl, yeah. You come and try with your Petra.
Forgive me, Daddy,
good
please.
thing to give you Petra. Everything where you want me and your mother try to give you.
I know everything, Daddy, but I'm not satisfied too. I know everything you don't give me.
Come out of the face, Petra. Come out of the face. You're not disgrace. Straight up out of here, there go.
Can't Tanya. She going up at the boy yard right now. She cannot stay here. I don't care if him want to take her in. She can't stay here because we live nowhere. Where we going to put him? Him and the Pickney. Eh?
No, but this year, no. You can train out, you know, and don't breed around, don't food you there, you have this making.
What do you mean by we have to take her? I cannot keep her. You don't see the state where we're living in? What do you think our neighbor going to say when they see the little Pickney girl with big old gut? And we send her go to school and they only Pickney where we can take shame out of we eye?
No, but we know go man and up the money at the rest of that we buy you there.
That is what you think. Well, I mean, well, she cannot stay here. She's so dry. Suppose you see how she tear out the eye looking on both of us, but I have something. You know, right now I feel like I would have ripped her to shred.
Don't gamble everything, master. You have this work with it.
Well, alright, that's your opinion. I cannot do anything about it, but she can. Yes, honey. Alright, sweetheart. Tell you what, I'll call you back later. You hear?
Yeah, mama.
Alright, have a good day. What is it now, honey?
Honey,
you take her and bring her up there as yet?
no, honey, me leave
So what you waiting on?
Me tell her to wait for me outside.
Why? I don't want to hear something. Then you want the people them.
You just call her while ago?
I just called somebody because I couldn't keep it anymore. Me call Riley. Simple as that. Because I just couldn't take it anymore. I feel like I was going to explode.
Honey, me I tell you the honest truth, honey. I feel weak. I don't know if I can go on here. I feel weak.
You have to get strength to go up there with her. Well, send her up there on her own then if you don't want to go with her. Because I would be ashamed to. You think I would go up there with her?
Honey, look how hard we work. We send that little girl go to school, honey. Huh?
And this is the pay that she give to us.
She
This is the thanks.
You know when me I take up her little thing them. You know what the girl said to me, honey?
What she said to you?
I talk about say it's Errol's fault.
Oh,
I
no.
tell her that bird of a feather
Flock together.
right? Petra is a disgrace.
Of course she's a
I
disgrace.
tell her that she's a disgrace.
Look where we are at. We don't have anything. She see how we struggle to send her to school and this is the pay? My God, I can't
Right?
deal with it. I cannot
Right?
deal with it.
I tell you, I feel weak, my wife, but I can't have her in the house, not even for your next second.
No,
I
sir.
don't want to see her anymore, my wife. I let you take out every clothes out
Every
of the job.
piece
I
of-
don't want to remember her, my wife. I tell you the honest truth.
I don't blame you, my husband. You think I blame you? I don't blame you. You can imagine, look, both of us, we can't even walk, we can't even work for anybody. Sometimes we have to borrow the money to send her go school.
And look what trouble come right in our yard, eh?
She not have no ambition, you know, and she telling you about his Errol.
Wife, when me come to tell you, say, me a leave out now.
Go ahead, my husband, go ahead.
Mighty God.
This girl want to tear us and rip us to shred. This girl want to finish us.
You see the long journey where you have me a walk? You see the long journey where you have me a walk? Eh? You see this stupid decision where you make now? You see where it costs? Disgrace for me and your mother. When everybody find out say you're pregnant, what you think that go happen? One bag of chatting. We respectably in the community. Now everything come down par way. Huh?
So daddy, if people want chat, so if people
I
want
see say
chat.
you're alright with this, you know.
No,
But we will ring off your ears. You hear what me I say? But we ring off your ears.
daddy.
The best thing you do right now is better you shut up your mouth. Yes, Miss Monica, you is the right person I want to see.
Why I am the right person you want to see now, Mr. Jeremiah?
You know say your son Errol pregnant me daughter Petra? Talk up.
Yes, Errol pregnant me. My son Errol could have never pregnant she. Errol would have never do that. And him knows him having future ahead of him. You must be crazy or something.
What you mean by Errol have a bright future in front of him? Petra did have a bright future in front of her too, and him destroy her future.
Yes.
Go over there.
Yes, he
Girl, like
pregnant me.
What you mean by where me going? I'm going home. She's your responsibility now.
Mr. Jeremiah. Mr. Jeremiah.
What happened?
You cannot leave her.
Suppose you didn't push me down.
I'm not pushing you down, sir, but you cannot send her over me yard like that.
So where is she going to go?
Sir, she cannot stay over there because you can't just leave her your yard and show her about say my son breeder.
Listen
How
to
you
me.
sure it's my son?
It
This
is your son.
It is not because these young people nowadays, Mr. Jeremiah, have more than one man. You don't know that, so why is my
little
son
daughter
future?
have her future ahead of her, and you can tell me that she have more than one man?
I'm
Huh?
not sure, but what I'm saying, your daughter can't come blight it in the Pickney future. So you
Listen,
cannot send
this
her
is a
over there.
police matter,
What you,
so the police is going to get involved.
all
So
right, Mr.
when the
Jeremiah.
DNA do, we will see if it's your
All right,
son
no
one.
bother with that, man. No bother with that. Well,
You calm down now.
no, it's not that I
You
calm
calm
down.
down
But
now.
what I'm saying, sir, is that you don't approach the matter properly.
I approach it very well.
Mr. Jeremiah, that's not how you deal with things, man. Now I'm supposed to reach and deal with a patient shortly. And look how you come to me, man. You're telling
You're looking at me. You're looking at
All right,
me. You see the disgrace so you call down for me in the neighborhood?
All right, load up your voice, man. Nobody load up the thing, make people hear. Go on over there and sit in the dining room till I come. Mr. Jeremiah, you cannot deal with things like this, you know, so you want
How I
to
should deal with
embarrass
it?
me? Don't embarrass me in the district. You know that I'm a well respectable lady.
I am not the one that is disrespecting you or embarrassing you. Your son didn't know to keep his willy in his pants. That is what causing the problem right now.
But you cannot say that about my son, sir, because you're not sure is my son child.
So
You
that's
understand me?
what you're trying to say. My daughter is telling me lie.
I'm not saying that, sir, but I'm just saying that young people always tell lie, you know, a little bit of lie.
Not
You
the
understand
daughter.
what I'm saying?
Not the daughter.
So how you
Right.
sure are your daughter, sir? Well, all right, listen to me. I don't want to fight with you guys because I don't want people hear me mouth. You know
Well,
that people
the
don't really
belly
hear me
a
mouth.
grow, so the whole district are gonna know.
Two and down, man. Come on, man. Turn down your volume, man. It's too loud. Well, all right. Tell you what, we have to deal with this more professionally. Let's just stay over there for tonight. Oh, you shouldn't come and let me talk better than this, man. All right. If he's my son child, right? I will take very good care of the child.
But you have to.
Take time now.
And you have to send her back to school.
Send her back to school. It don't look like she wants to go back to school.
What you mean by that?
All right, tone down. The point is I just don't want these embarrassment on my son, you know.
Well,
You
it's on
understand
him
me?
already. So you're gonna make him start for school and take care of his responsibility.
I am very...
Else I'm going to work hard and get a lawyer and
All
put
right,
on this case.
don't do that, sir. Don't do that. My son is not going to stop from school because it's the last year for him. And he will be going to college shortly. So, but no worry about your grand Pickney, you hear? I'll take very good care of her or him, you hear? All right, man, calm down, calm down. My God, I saw in here so look good. In your pretty sir. I first me see them the pretty curtain. My God. Lord have mercy. Me catch a me man yard. I one thing me know. This a Pickney a lick me right to heaven. Me like he place. I should have a long time me live up here so come me no like for me yard. You want something to eat and drink. Me can't be. Watch out them fridge stock. And they have so much thing in it. Me thirsty for some ain't too hot. How are this in here, so? How are this that? It smell like potato pudding. Yes, good go. Well, I did hungry bad. From morning. From morning. They up and down with this pregnancy here. My mother-in-law said me to relax myself. If I come over, I can relax. I'll him up here, they live them your life here. Have everything in a fridge, and when he done, he come to school and stress me out about him want this a big lunch and that day. And 2 pence so me can want yammy from me. Well, me and him up here. Me and him. Oh. Look, I can have everything up at this place here. Eh? Everything. Place just nicer. What a boy wicked. When me done, me go be a big king. I wonder how would be at this. It tastes real good though. Tastes real good, eh? I'm going to get a piece of this to come at school. Come give me my mini.
Mommy,
How that sound like a...
mommy,
That sound like Ira.
How we are do ya?
Oh, you mean I want
How
me
we
to
are
do
do
that?
for me yard? Me
Oh,
not
you
tell you
want-
say enough you come up on me.
Let
We are
take
do
off
up
on my bag and move from before me.
here. We are do up here.
Let you hear me
Come
say
on,
let
mother.
off on my bag and move from before me, boy.
Where my mother there?
Your mother said she gone downstairs
Mommy.
go back on me feet. Your mother not here. She gone and want work, go look after somebody and she said
What you tell my mother
me
say?
must make myself comfortable. Me tell her say me pregnant for you. That me tell your mother.
Listen me.
Let go for me and
Listen
me lick off your
You know where you're up to, you know.
Move yourself from here, so.
Me know where you're up to, you know. Who gave me pudding?
Me take it out of the fridge and yam it cause me hungry. So then you like you open your yard and live and then yam me out when you come to school.
Actually, you know, say me and my girlfriend at school, you know. And that make
Which
you have to put up on
girlfriend?
me, you know.
Force up on who?
And that
Force
make
up.
you-
Take your hand out of my face.
And that make you want
Take
to come
your-
give me this
if
up
you
to me, you
ever
know.
give it.
And you want to mash up my life.
You're lucky. Then, sure, me no, let me tell you something, me hungry, you hear me? And me don't want you draw me out today. Don't make me deal with
You
you,
know,
you know.
see, say that I feel me Pickney, you know.
And you're
Actually,
picking.
you know, say my woman want to take me up, that's the problem.
Well, whether it's you're picking it or not, you are getting it because you know the reason why? Is me and you, everybody see, and that's final. And let me make me name my breakfast in a piece, you know. Come we tear you up, you know. Oh, that me I tell you. When me done me they go bed. And you go and show me where the bathroom there. Move from before me too. Me say move from before me. Move from me say.
You
Move
want to
away
take
from
over
me.
my mother house,
Take
you know.
over what?
You see,
Take
you want
over
to
what?
take over my
You
mother
rich
house.
you never know say. You never know say me no live nowhere you shouldn't come disturb me and try destroy me life. You go and see who for life and
You
destroy
think
ya.
you're going to stay your favor? You think you're going to stay your favor?
Why you go do about it? Why you go do about it, boy? Why you go do
Out
about
of
it?
my mother, please.
No, come touch me, man.
Touch
No,
my mother,
come touch me, man. Take up. If you're bad, come. I know that you fi do error. Error. See me bag ya. See me bag ya. Move it from off of the table. Move it. Your thing say. I feel your place. You think you can run me out? You think you can run me out here?
You see, a warrior want to take place in this place.
War me want. You say war me a warrior. I want me a warrior.
You like how you
black.
talk too big in my mother house, you know. You like how you talk too big in my mother house, you know. Come go your yard.
Come go. Move
Come
from
go your
here.
yard.
Me not go nowhere. Cause your mother tell me every time you make myself come. Me not go nowhere. Move from here, sir. I'm go through my bathroom. Then make me fresh up myself. That's the fi do. The food tastes good. I will be acting. Tastes real good. Me want to freshen up myself. Me hot, you see? You're not hot. Me hot body. Sun is hot, sir. I sun turn up to nowadays. I don't look for me, sir.
If I look by you, I know say you your family my destruction, you know. Me don't know where me put myself in this a destructive family.
You're late. You're late. You could have blow like a bull. You're late.
Go in my room until my
Go your room. You better show me where your room they kind of me they sleep with you. Go your way they go let you feed you. And me tell you something, go show me where the bathroom there, you know. Oh. Oh, that tastes good.
My wife?
Yes, my husband.
I have a long day, my wife.
How did it go?
My wife, I'm tired.
Alright, come and lay down a little bit. I was just dozing away, you know. Oh Lord, you look so mashed up. So what happened? It turned out alright? What happened?
My wife, Errol's mother give me a warm time, you know.
She give you a warm time for what? So where's the little girl?
My wife, I didn't even know where to start, my wife.
What do you mean you don't know where to start? So where she's at? You bring her back here?
No, my wife, I tell her
Oh.
to go over Errol's yard.
Okay, that sounds good. I like that.
Imagine my wife, right?
Mm-hmm.
I go there and I see the woman going to say she a go a work. You understand what I'm saying, my wife? And I tell her what took place. Here what the woman a come tell me say now my wife. If me sure say me with daughter no have more than one man.
What the hell you saying to me? What you mean by she tell you say our daughter have more than one man?
Yes.
Me no say my daughter not telling any lie. I know that. Where she get her rubbish and her garbage from? She know that we raise up her Pickney very well.
My wife, the woman
Don't
a
get me
beat
upset.
round the bush, she a beat
Don't
round the
get
bush,
me
she a
upset.
beat round the bush, my wife. Me I tell you.
I don't understand what you're saying to me because you see, I was the one go up there and she said that to me. I would lend her this right hand in her face.
My
You know
wife,
that?
one of the time,
I would have
me
lent
a
it to
walk
her.
with. The woman run down pa me a hold me, nearly drop me in my wife. Me a fear say to her, say, what you want to do? Push me down?
You ask her if she want to push it,
She
so
a
you
say-
don't chuck her back down.
No, my wife.
Oh,
She dead there and she a soft soap me a tell me about say me no feel load up in the district like say everybody now gonna know say she pregnant.
Everybody have to know.
Huh?
So what she want to do, just because them think that them better off than us. Eh? So she don't want anybody to know that our boy pregnant with
No,
Pickney?
she want
Is that?
she want we just sweep it under the carpet like say nothing never happened.
Okay.
I tell her I'm not into that. The
Not
whole
at
district
all.
wanna know about
And
it.
we going to tell everybody, so if she want to hide the pregnancy, we won't hide it.
Exactly
So too bad
right.
if she want to hide it. You hear what I said? Because them go like them better than other people. Well, if them did better than other people, why she never talk to her son? Eh? If she feels that we too down there, she should have never make her son pregnant with Pickney.
My wife, what is the beauty about this situation, you know, my wife? If me dey ever see the boy, you know, my wife, me no know it da work out, you know, because me and him da roll a dirty, you know.
How you mean if you
I
want
would
to go
have
down
throw
road?
me walking stick, and when me climb up, you know, my wife,
You would have show him who is the man. And you would have to teach him that he must keep him pee-pee pot in and clothes and don't use it on people Pickney. Because him spoil with nice, good up clean Pickney future then now. Eh?
my wife. Where you think our church brother and sister them are gonna say now where this happen? This shame come in our yard, eh?
They are going to look bad on us. They are going to
Yeah.
say that we know all these things and they know that we are struggling and we try to grow the Pickney the right way, but they're going to say all manner of evil now that this happened. You know that they're going to say all manner of evil. Who is going to stand up and say that we're trying to raise her properly? Huh? Nobody is going to say anything. But I am glad you take her up there. So
Right.
she that about you, they load it up. Tell her no worry herself because we're going to make everybody know what is happening.
My wife,
Oh.
I'm telling you, my wife, I feel so bad. Look how we daughter have a bright future
She's
ahead
so
of her.
bright. She's a bright little
What
girl, you
could
know.
have come in her, my wife? Tell me now.
I
What
don't
could have
know.
come in her to
I
do
cannot-
such stupid thing? Huh?
We never know that she was so stupid. We never know, you know.
Look how we sit down with her and we counsel her. Eh?
I hope she sending her back to school. She not only make she don't stay up there and have pure Pickney. I
Send her
hope
back to school. You hear what she said to it?
what she said to us.
She said, but say, our daughter no look like she want to go back to school.
So,
My wife, when the woman
After she
said
so
that to me, my wife, me I tell you, say, a piece of rage coming on me heart, you know, my wife.
I don't,
Only God alone himself take away that anger from me, you know.
what she
Because
wrote?
our son do that to his daughter, and she a come suggest that.
And she don't say anything about her son. She don't say anything. She don't say her son wrong and should keep him pee-pee pot where it belongs. She don't say nothing.
Nothing at all, my wife. Only thing she a do a pick up for the boy. Pick up for the boy. Pick up for the boy. And I talk about say, if it's a boy or a girl, it's gonna in good hands. Like
Oh,
say, she did a wait on something like this.
What you saying to me? But if she was waiting on something like this, she wouldn't tell her to keep it on a low profile. So that means she confused. Let me tell you something. You see that woman? She go on like she clean and nice, you know, but you know that it look like her mother knock her head when she did have her.
To me,
It's like him drop the baby and her head knock. Because she could never in a night clean clothes and chatting like a fool. Why all the time these people that dress nice look good and all of that, them head never right?
Them never have a good upstairs.
You go to the madman, they have a good upstairs, you know that?
And
They
a
talk
good
so.
reasoning ability.
That's what I'm
Because
saying. They're conscious of what they're saying.
my wife,
Huh? Jesus. My husband, I really don't like these kind of talking. But anyway, the child is no longer in our house, so they have to take care of it.
exactly.
You understand what I'm
Exactly.
saying? And I was thinking about something, my husband.
What now, my wife?
I was thinking about, I wonder if we do the right thing by sending her.
I mean, yes, we do the right thing. Send her out of the house.
It's not that. I was saying that because we don't have anything, maybe she shouldn't stay with us where she mind we. Because
Oh,
we
she
don't
never
have
mind me. My wife and she
mind
have
we
a
with
job.
it. I don't mean our daughter. I mean my daughter mother-in-law. Remember say them have a little something, So, feel say if the little girl down here, just because she want to take shame out of the eye, she will send a good amount of money come down here weekend time so we can drop offering and we can buy grocery and we can do any little thing we want to do. You know what I mean? I was just laying down and I'm thinking about that. I don't know if it's the right thing. What you think?
My wife, me not agree with that, my wife.
Why you don't agree with? We don't have anything. I know that the little girl God who is going to take care of us and who is going to give us something.
The Lord will provide. The Lord will provide, my wife. Don't worry yourself, man. You don't have to think like that, my wife. Right?
Okay, my husband.
We will manage.
You sure?
Yes, my wife, we will manage. And our daughter is not stupid,
I miss
She's
her.
not stupid.
You don't miss her?
I miss her, yes, my wife, but I'm still hurting inside. Probably later on things will change. You understand, my wife? But for now, I don't want to see her. I'm telling you the truth. I don't want to see her.
I lay down and I was thinking about my one daughter that God blessed me with, and I said, sometimes things happen and we can't just rush to fling them out. And what if she go out there and start to pregnant like everybody else and having this whole ton of Pickney for different father? Me no want nothing bad for happen to we one picking.
So what you want to do?
I don't know. I was just saying it to you because you
You're
are
sure
the man
that
of
the
the
money
house.
make you want she come back here, my wife? You're sure that the money? Because me know you.
No, my husband. No, my husband is not the money. I just feel lonely because when you're not around, me and her can hold a proper reasoning.
Understand.
Because she's conscious. She's a conscious little girl, and I believe it's a mistake. It's a coincidence. I believe maybe that wicked boy is the one that purposely pregnant her, Me feel says the boy purposely pregnant her because he don't want to see she come out to be nothing. Because everybody know that we Pickney is a bright Pickney. And don't think that is really the money. The money is not it. It's just that I miss her.
All we do, my wife, tonight before we go to bed, we just pray and ask the Lord to direct we.
Yes,
And
all right.
to give you the right way of going about this situation.
Yes,
then,
because
right?
sometimes when we upset, we
do some
do
things.
some
I
crazy
agree.
stuff and we say some things that is not right because the matter come up same time and we think that anger is the best solution to the problem when it's not always so, Sometimes we need to calm down,
That's true,
relax,
my wife.
think about the matter before we just anything come out of our mouth with this pitchy out. It's because of why in our heart,
Exactly, my wife. So,
And
make we think about it tonight.
all right, then.
Understand?
All right, my husband. Tell you what, it past time for your dinner. You wash the rice for me, and I will cut up the meat, honey.
Yes, my
I
wife.
know you're tired, but
We
I
have
know
to-
you're hungry.
All right, my wife. All
I
right.
want to cut up the chicken back here.
All right,
How
my
you
wife.
want it, curry or stew?
You can curry it. You
All
can curry
right.
it, my wife.
All right, go ahead. Let us make our dinner.
Oh boy, this situation, my wife.
It's a part of life, honey. How am my man room there? My God, this bed here looks so good. Look, Penny, he kind of sheet after mama now of them here sheet here. Kuya, I'm in man room, see me man picture there. How am me man there? Me put down me teddy bear them Penny in bed. Oh, I make that the pillar drop down so. Put on me teddy bear pan me bed. I make this up. How am me man there? Oh, then me man have in one bathroom and he make me bed in the guest bathroom. You wait till he come here. He go and see what me and him go and have out. So he can make his wife bed in the bathroom. Watch me and him in here. Because if he thinks that me and no guest here, me and wife, so what make me can bed in a film bathroom. Let me just write down some of the same thing them what me want. So me give one list of what me want. Oh, for my picnic. That me they tell you think me stupid. Me have everything locked in my head. Me want about 20 shimmies. That's only a little bit, but he can start off with 20. That a little bit, man. And me no think, me no want a nappy. Me want Huggies Pampers. Maybe he can buy about 5 or 6 pack. Are the 20 pack them? I think a 20 all in them. He can buy 5 of that. I think that's reasonable. Cause all a bit for them. They can afford more than that. Why else me don't want for right now? I mean they go want some wipes too. Hungry wipes alone. And what else me Pickney don't want? And he want the sitting too. And what else me could buy for me Pickney?
Petra, what you doing in my bed?
Me man, you oh you mean what me then? You're not even show me your bedroom and me have to search and find in.
Petra, you can't stay in here saying what if mama can see you.
Me room me picking you idiot. What we have grab up me suffer? You want me about me picnic? Don't treat me so cause me and your wife start hanging me like me and your wife. You hear what me say? And let me tell you something. You make me go in the guest bathroom, go wash up making. Why you never tell me say you have your one bathroom?
Petra, just me I beg you, Petra.
Go in the bed and shut up your mouth,
Listen
because
now,
me have
Petra.
something to say to you.
Petra, listen what me I say now. If you really love me could go in the living room and sit down.
Why
Because
make
me no want mama come see.
Me nah go in no living room. Me tired and me want to sleep in your bedroom because in here so me have to sleep. Because me I wonder what make your mother not come back yet. Lie down because we have to talk about some sitting. Me there when they write down some sitting what me want, you know.
If me sit down, you promise me say we are going to...
Me not promise you that, to be honest. I hear so me want and. But me only when they write down a few things what the baby want. Yeah. Me baby want 20 shimmies. You know
What
that?
do you mean by right down when baby I go want? You sure say baby I go live, Petra?
Yes, me sure say me Pickney they go live. What make you happy see so? And me want
But
5
anything
pack
can't
of.
make baby, you're not even your belly, you're showing you.
What
You
that have
write
to do
down
with
things
me?
already.
Well, listen to me. Me no
You
want
know,
be
make
like.
mama write down then something that
Me don't want be like the foolish virgin. Me they make sure I have oil in my lamp reserve. So me now go wait until you think me stupid like them other people. When them they have Pickney, they wait till the appointed time and they tell they run up and down like a madance. They try to get what Pickney want. Well, alright, too bad. Me have everything prepared. So if you no want here, me will give you the long list of what me have. And tomorrow morning, me want write one list for tomorrow morning too. Because when they left for school, me want something. When you go to school, me want ice cream. And me want you buy some.
We want ice cream for though.
I wear raise a vice for me for. I wear the raise a vice for me for. And me want you buy one pack of lollipop for me. The bun them.
Me a walk?
Who cares if
Me
you
a
want
walk?
walk?
Eh? Me a walk?
Me see say you want me get very dirty in here. Me see say you want me lose me head pa you. Listen to me. Back up and fix up yourself, you know. You want me to say to you? You hear me I want you? From me come here, you legal and like I say. You don't want to treat me like a piece of old cloth. Fix up your statement, you know. Cause you know say me will deal with your case, you know.
I wonder when me really put myself.
It's too late to much time if he tell you that.
That's
How much time if he tell you that?
that tell me say, no pick up no woman when I walk and sit me, you know.
Yeah?
I know the family them where you are going, you know.
But you never take
sorry,
it.
me even meet you.
What you sorry for? What you sorry for?
Because
Let
all
me
you
tell you
come now, all you want is just for your crepe,
Me
you know.
the crepe.
I just crepe, you come here to
When you went the crepe from me, when me the
When
gas
the crepe
school, me
fry you.
can't even name lunch in peace because you take you out of me mouth. I know that me pregnant for you. You want to talk about me the crepe. Let me tell you something. You see, if you when they keep your hoes and then pee in me, the two of we won't pregnant. Is you pee in me and the two of we pregnant. So now you want to hang me like say me a dog. Don't treat me like say me a dog round here, you know. You better start treat me like me and your wife. That me I tell you. Oh.
Wife after me not married to you.
Oh, you mean say you're not married to me? You have been married to me. Yeah, you want me say? You have been married to me. I joke me a make. I joke me a make. When they come to me and they know say, this is when they happen to you. And that's wrong with you, no man. You know one think before you do nothing. You know just blaze up. And that you know a grand, you know that. And then after you know blaze up, you know how to. You try left me alone in my house. Oh, that me I tell you. And tomorrow morning, me no think say me don't want to get up neither. You make me breakfast and can't come give me in a bed. Oh, I mean why you call I down and hug up me and rub down the Pickney. I Pickney want go sleep now.
What me I try if you say, right?
Me I listen to you.
What if when me that think when me come in, right? You know you get upset.
Well, if you know that same thing for me upset now, but as is a now.
What if me and mama pay for about the baby and then we pay you and your mother and father some money? What do you think about that?
Madman! You mad? You know me feel good about this pregnancy? Don't you dare tell me nothing about you and mama about what? Me I don't afraid for you and frown.
Come to you. So
mama go come to me.
Come and suggest that, does tell her say yes.
Me if he say yes, I'm glad say me catch up here. Look here. Me in a paradise. And if you go by Pickney, you must have mad. I want to kill you in here with your Pickney. And that me they tell you. Me say me now get up to Barra, so you better make sure you get up and give me egg and bread with sausage. And frankfurters too. And me don't know what for talking with you. Me never feel this a bed. This bed feel good. How the bed? Where you go, me man?
What you mean by what me I go? Me not stay in there so. Me have stay in there so till mama come.
Come here, man. Me have seen fi say to you.
So say me not listen me. Mama was a respective
house. Mama house a respective house. You never know that. You see how you're a bad man at school. And now because you're pregnant me, you get humble. And you raise your voice for me again, you will see. Me come right down at school and make teacher everybody know say you breed me. And that me I tell you. And me they go rest the baby. You hear me, man? Me go rest the baby. How you don't give me for dessert? How you don't give me? Cause I don't with me now, me man. Me they go sleep till your mother come. If when me they sleep and your mother come, tell your mother say me we talk to her in the morning. Yeah? You hear what me say? And why am I gonna suffer? You know, should I'm glad say me not even quarrel with him. He should I'm glad say me in a house in a bed. So anything at all he want to do to me. Why? Oh God. Feel this idea. She said not even nothing much me no write on this a paper yet. When I done the paper full up. Mama, Papa should have seen me now. I I boy they got like I say me stupid enough. I saw everybody always thinks say me stupid. If he come lie down and we talk like husband and wife, he not have to talk say we don't go about nothing. No. He make we lie down and talk how we don't get married at that thing for you. Because me want one big old ring on my finger. And that thing for you know. I'm so tired. I wonder where Errol is. Where Errol and Petra she there? Errol?
Yes, mommy.
Come here. Hurry up.
Yes, mommy.
Come. Tell me something. What kind of stupidness that me hear about you? Eh?
What, mommy?
What kind of foolishness? Sit down there, so. Oh, you mean what that, mommy? Huh? What, mommy, what? Where is Petra where I tell her to sit down here and wait until I come from
She
work?
there in a room there, so.
In which room?
In my room, mommy.
Oh! So you give her authority to go and lay down in her room. So you're a man now?
Mommy, not give her no authority from she come, mommy. She come like so she come to take over the house.
What you mean by
Because-
come to take over? It's your house and you make she go in the bedroom. What you mean by she come and want to take over?
When me come, mommy, I ask you, mommy, she a say you're gone and you soon come back.
So you don't know that I'm going to work? You don't know that? I'm talking to you, young man.
Yes, mommy.
So you make she go in her room, go
Mommy,
sleep?
I know me, mommy. All me I tell her is she must stay in here, so mommy, mommy,
She.
mommy, no want
You
her
see the
up here
disgrace.
now.
Listen to me. Me know why you open your mouth and come tell me what to do. You see the disgrace where you cause for me, young man. You see the disgrace where you come put for me now. Out of all of the woman them and all of the Pickney them at school, and they say you come stop. Me say you don't hear me I talk to you.
No, mommy.
Me say if I they say you look for stop.
Mommy, no know what go wrong.
Oh, you
mommy.
mean say you don't know what go wrong?
Mommy, no know what go wrong. Me even
I
feel
can't
say
believe-
I'm my Pickney, mommy.
Yes. What else you have to say? Tell me everything what happened. So you think I'm going to believe you? You can't even look in my face. You think I'm going to believe you?
Mommy, but go one time me do it, mommy.
Oh.
One time can do something, mommy.
One time you do it. So did you use a condom one time you sex her? So you know feel say one time can breed somebody? Huh?
Mommy, me no know because you never usually talk to me about them something there.
Oh.
And she and Delroy always itch up, mommy.
That been expected of you. Oh, so because now you're blaming me for your dirtiness where you create?
No,
The
no.
dirty mess where you create, you come and blame me? They come tell me never talk to you about it.
Mommy.
So tell me something, what you go to school for?
Mommy, and I say,
What me pay school fee for?
yes, mommy, and I say that, mommy, but you're a nurse, mommy, you're supposed to explain a little something. here to
Okay.
me because I don't know if me never use a condom, mommy.
Oh.
Me never know that she could have get pregnant.
Okay, do you reach the age to have sex? Since as I am supposed to teach you. You're not picnic they go to school.
Yes,
So why you take up sex for your head for? And moreover, you said that I should have teach you because I am a nurse. You say me not have time for scratch my head, boy. You don't say me not have time for scratch my head. So now you call the villagers to look down on me after I have worked for so many years. To make me look good and make you look good.
Mommy, I know
Eh,
you,
try-
them, I know you them are going to look down upon me, mommy.
Oh yeah, you're arguing. Listen to me, young man. Young man, just tell me what happened because you make me get irritable right now. And you come tell me about she in your bedroom?
Mommy, but me there and me I tell her say I know me scenario in her friend she come, mommy, she load up her mouth, mommy, and she vulgar, mommy.
She loud and vulgar. So when you were getting there, you never know say she don't loud and vulgar. You never didn't know that.
Mommy, she
Everybody
never
know
so
how-
loud, mommy.
Everybody know the family.
Mommy,
Everybody
she
knows
never
them
loud
chat
and so
bad.
vulgar, mommy. I know me start to see her true colors, mommy.
You're doing everything to take yourself out of it and to make you look good. Well, I am your mother and you don't look good.
Mommy,
So you try something else.
mommy even suggest to her say make we go and do a bash and me and you
What?
just pay up our family them.
Me PR family them. So it's me breeder. But you think very good. But you don't think like a little Pickney. You think like a big man. You think like a big married man who breed somebody out there afraid of the wife no. When you say you tell her say
when she come from school and when me come and me come see her in her uniform, me just go over some little detail with her.
Yes.
I say, when time you come, me that tell you, and then we just do the abortion early and morning, man.
Oh my God. I have my own son and don't even know what you're capable of doing. If somebody they come tell me, say, you say them suck me and they do them suck me a mouth and tell them say it's lie. Don't tell a lie for me pick me. You don't know say you shock me.
Man, but me have my life ahead and my mommy, me can't make peace.
So you never know say she have fear life ahead of her too. And you never know say me go shame. I mean I go on road for people know say I say you go. Eh? Who in the village would want to stop there so? Oh you what list of boy? Good for nothing. I thought you were all this. And me I take you, put your power light post to make you feel say you better than other people Pickney. And I thought you were holding up your head. And now you're coming but they come mommy, me tell her if you do about where you going to get the money from for her to do an abortion? Where you gonna get the money from? Cause you have this all thought out.
Man, but me I said true, me no want your reputation go down on mine. Me think you would just
and yours.
spend the money, mommy, and make she just do your abortion. Because my me no want have no Pickney with her, mommy.
Oh my God.
Family them poor, man. If when they do that now, mommy, no suck them and go and suck out the whole of the money, man.
Them fi dig out your two eye them.
Mommy can't.
Them fi suck you out like scorpion Pickney. You take up your two little legs and walk going nights. Listen me, stop the crying. Listen me, why those crocodile tears? You don't shift me. I thought you were the child that I raised properly, decent and all of this. And when I listen to you and hear all that is coming out of your mouth, I feel so ashamed. I thought you were a decent boy. Look at your ugly face. You come here and come back, but mommy, I make me think you don't just pay her off so she go do the abortion. You think say them the people that don't want to do an abortion? Tell me. No, them dropping at this a family. You think they don't want to do that abortion?
Man, but if you suggest a sum of money, man, I don't think them don't want to refuse that.
So I am the one supposed to go and suggest a sum of money to them to bail you out. Well, you know what?
When me work, me don't pay.
Don't pay me back because Pickney nowadays is very ungrateful. Don't think you can catch me because you're in this mess now. You know what you're going to do? You're going to stop from school and work on mine. I'm not going to cover up. I'm not going to cover up for you. Before I fly out tomorrow morning, I beg somebody book my ticket by now on weekend and leave you in this mess all by yourself. Because if you're dragging me in it, huh? You didn't know that before you go there that you shouldn't even think about going there. Who you ever see talking to those people? Those good for nothing people. Look in the village, you see people wrap up and talk to them? They're the poorest one. And I can't believe you really take yourself, and take your water pot, go pee-pee in the girl and get her pregnant. Huh? Were you pee-pee in the young lady for young man?
Me no want to stay in my bedroom, mommy.
Well, look here.
My bed, mommy.
I never tell her for going there and she cannot stay in there. So me and you going in there to her. And although you don't say anything to me, that me could have looked at you and say, I'm sorry for you, young man. Trust me.
I'm sorry, mommy.
To me, you don't look sorry. It's just because I'm talking to you about it. No, you don't look sorry.
I'm sorry, mommy.
Look how hard I'm working for you to go to college. Huh? And your father even filing for you.
Mommy.
And this is a shame you put on us.
He still can't file.
He still can't file for you. So what you going to do with your Pickney? Who is going to mind your child?
When me go and we send money to give her, mommy.
We're going in the room right now. And look here. Make sure when she went in the room, you and her do nothing in there, you know.
Mom, I couldn't do that, man.
Oh, you mean say you couldn't do it? Then if you do it already, why you wouldn't do it again? And now she's right underneath your nose hole. What make you think me don't think you wouldn't do it again?
Mommy, and she has suggested at the two we alone there, me can't do anything to her, mommy. And me tell her, I say, me have respect for you.
I don't believe that. She would have never said that because she's a child. You see, she look like she have sense. How she ever come with all of that? You two lie. I don't believe you. She would have never said that. That would have never come out of that little girl mouth. She have sense. We come to her about say, you and her dead, so you can't do anything. You two lie. You hear me say if you stop tell lie, boy?
Mommy not tell her like what she said.
Get up and move from before me and let us go to her right now. This is a disgrace. You look like a bag. You want me bag me head in this village. Take your time, alright, come. The pickle tastes good this evening, Papa?
Yes, my wife.
Lord of mercy, a long time in on yam chicken back and it tastes so good. What is wrong with you?
I'm still here stressing my wife.
What you stressing yourself over? The dinner was excellent. And it tastes so good and you're still stressing yourself. Is Petra you stressing yourself over?
Yes, my wife.
Why are you stressing yourself over her? We down here yamming chicken back gonna now she up there yamming KFC. And don't even remember that we down here.
Understanding of my wife, but true I used to her company when dinner time come and she's not here, my wife. It just make me feel away.
Yes, I understand, but you're going to kill yourself over her. You don't see that she's a woman now, you know. And she now must come back here none tall.
She's a woman, my wife, but it's my little child.
It's your little child, but listen to me, you have to let it go. You hear what I said? You cannot stress yourself over these children, you know. They have a mind of their own.
My wife, early on, I was upset, but now when me calm down, me just yearning for her to come back home.
Come back home where?
Here, my wife, me can't make my one daughter just go like that, my wife. I know I was upset with the situation.
So
but
what
now, from me get the little dinner, me sit down and it start to play back in my mind, my wife. It just make me feel sad. I say me make the wrong decision. Petra should be here with us, no matter the circumstances where she put herself in. Right? She should be right here.
So what are you planning? What is it going through your head? What is your problem?
Well, what I was suggesting, my wife, tomorrow morning we could just go back for her because I don't feel comfortable to make she stay up there. If it's salt we are eating, let the whole of us eat salt together. Right?
Are you okay?
My
Are
wife,
you okay?
listen to me no man.
Jeremiah, I am listening, but I can't believe that this is you. You're saying that you want to bring back the picnic girl, whatever breed, if you come back here, if you name the little bit of salt, but we...
Yes, my wife, we are bring her up and nothing from baby stage till now. Why won't she just make a simple little mistake?
A simple mistake?
It's a simple little mistake after her life not end, my wife. Her life not end enough.
Have mercy upon my soul. You know, I see clearly now where that little girl get her attitude and behavior from. You know that all along I know that your head no good, you know. I don't know why I pick you up, you know.
But my
You
wife,
make me carry a mad picnic come here because your head no good either.
listen to my wife. You can't understand my wife. Petra make a stupid mistake. Right? We can't hold that against her, you know, my wife.
Why
We
we
are
shouldn't
the
hold?
two elder person. Right? It's our daughter, you know.
You don't have to tell me that it's our daughter. But do you know that it's our daughter that made the big stupid mistake? Of carrying a child come here, we can't even feed ourselves. And now we want to feed Grand Pickney.
As I said before, my wife, if it's salt we're going to eat, everybody will eat the salt.
Well, who are you?
Until better come.
Okay, I hear you clearly. And you are the man of the house, right? Isn't it?
Yes, my wife.
Okay.
That's why I make this decision now. And say she coming back home.
So why you shouting at me after you gave me
Because you're not getting it to your head.
I was going to say
You're
something.
talking to you very calmly. And you're not seeing my way. And I'm the man in this house. I said, Petra going to come back to this house tomorrow morning.
Lord have mercy, Jeremiah. I don't want to see eye to eye with you right now. Because when you bring her back in the house and she come back here, what you think going to happen again? She going back out there to breed and carry another Pickney come here. So that means we're going to have 2 grand Pickney. To feed and we can't feed ourselves. And you coming shouting at me as if it's me telling girl if you go breed. God know it's your fault, you know. Because you see what you do? You spoil that little girl too much.
My wife, everybody make mistake in life. Right? And I know that Petra learned from her mistake. Because when I was packing up her things, she talking about she would put in window for us and everything. And I know my wife that she have good intention in her mind. Right?
Awesome.
She make a mistake and she can learn from it and she still can achieve. Right?
Okay,
We
man.
can't behave like we just condemning her for the little mistake what she make.
Okay.
It's my daughter and I need her right here with me.
Well,
Early on I was upset. But when I sit down and look through life, right?
I'm listening to you. Listen to me. So who is going to follow you go up there tomorrow?
I will go.
You go on your own. Because I don't want when people see you going up there, me chipping behind you. So when them cursing you out, them curse me too.
Well,
they must know that I'm not in everything.
For a long time now. And this little thing is not different. I'm used to it by now. Me born them seasoned to it. Right? I'm not afraid of who want to chatter, who want to cuss, or who would want to say whatsoever. Petra is my daughter. Right? And I don't care what people want to say. I'm gonna be right by her side through this situation.
Hurry up. Petra, didn't I tell you to wait in the living room for me until when I come from work? What you doing in Errol room? Good evening, ma. The reason why me come in a Errol room can't sleep because the Pickney want sleep. And me tired. So me say me I go sleep in my husband room. Well, you're not going to sleep in Errol room. You're sleeping in the basement. Who you attack? Who you attack? Me not sleep in a no basement round here. Why you not put your son in the basement? And your son pregnant me. So if you go down in the basement go sleep, me nah go down there. Oh, well, you don't call the shots here, little girl. I can see that you're very feisty, you know. You don't call no shots here. Me say it's in the basement you're going to sleep. I can see you're very rank. What do you mean by me no call no shot here? You're right. Me no call no shot, me fire shot. I don't know they get me very upset in here, you know. You know I make me Pickney get upset, so no try come out of my room and me can't get some rest. Oh. Errol, you see what you're causing here? You see what you're causing here?
This way you can't spam me.
Talk about if you see what she caused for you. Errol, my God Almighty, look what you caused for me in this place. Mighty God of Daniel. Little girl, me say you not have no manners. You hear what me say? But you say I go stay in here tonight, but tomorrow me I go deal with you. Me I go deal with this stuff. Cause it now go at me in my house. And me running in my house. And me run the show you so. You no little girl now come run my house for me. You hear what me say? No little girl now come in and so come run my house. You're bright and feisty. Go on, listen. Look what you call for me, little boy. Oh no, go on and leave me here. And love me out, because you don't know me, you know. Me see that the woman they grab on for my manies. I want to grab on for my manies so far. That the woman they don't know me, you know. She don't know say me will deal with her case, you know. Wait until me make me Pickney rest and tomorrow man she go and see what go and take place in here. Oh. Errol,
What man?
you know what I mean now? I peep through the window for your head, dancer. Come sit down and make one your head.
I'm ready for comb my head yet.
Oh, you mean say
You see a yard me a sweep up. Wait till me done sweep up
me
the
see
yard
say
now.
you rake up your yard, but your head not look good. Me say if you put down this and come at me comb your head.
Me have you up from last night, you know.
How about me? How about yourself? Oh, and me, how about your twin?
Me tell you, say no come in my room and you make mommy come and see in her room. Me have you up in a man.
So look here, where you expect me when you sleep?
Mommy not tell you say in her basement. Whenever just get up and go in her basement, go sleep.
Me, you didn't want to sleep in a basement with your Pickney. You not no ambition. You want me say you not no ambition. Me have up your twin. Me then tell us if you can't breakfast in a bed, come give me. You make me come out here in a sun at if you come comb your
Mommy
head.
just gone a shop. Nothing in her house, you know, see that?
What a disgrace.
Why not the house I just for me and mommy and now you come and come to stress out man make sure you gone a shop.
Okay, so look here. You shouldn't have that in your head before you breed me. You hear me? Me then tell if you come pregnant me, you know. Is you come pregnant me, so you have to stand your hand. You hear what me say? And hold your head, come in an argument.
Take time with me, you know.
Hold your head,
Just
me
left
say
it
before
alone,
me papa off it. Oh.
Sure.
Me be throw me hanger in it, you know. Oh, that me I tell you. Me no want my man look the worst. That's why me have to comb up your head for you. Oh. And you know say me that thing about thing too. And who you don't make buy the Pickney clothes them? Cause me no want no Jamaican clothes, you know. And that me they tell you so you better talk from now. What the plans where you have?
But the belly no reach nowhere.
Oh, I want this here. And a big old got this here. Don't ramp with me, you hear me? Oh, make sure I grab your door call and tell him say, me want foreign clothes and me want name brand
call
clothes.
my father, you know. And
Oh,
mommy
yeah,
I go buy the clothes then.
Which mommy? Which mommy? Me don't want your mother buy no clothes in my Pickney. You hear me say I grab me want buy me Pickney clothes them because me want name brand. You think me want when me go up a hospital, everybody in the same thing with my Pickney, you know? You look like you knock your head. Oh, you should have known that say me no want no cheap clothes for my Pickney. Oh, you better hold your head, you know. Because me will jag off it.
When time me tell my father say you're pregnant now, he now go stop the filing.
Stop the
How me I
filing.
get figure foreign? How me I get
So-
figure foreign in time me tell him say you're pregnant?
I run, you want to run well if me and you Pickney out here. Well, make it stop immediately. Because you dey turn out here and face the trouble with me and your Pickney. Oh. You think I'm me alone don't raise it. What the head too? Because me will pop off your head. Oh, because me have up you.
You know say you're not think good, you know that?
Me glad you
Me
know.
say if me go foreign, right?
Mm-hmm.
Things would have better for you and the picnic. Cause at least when me could have get a little work and send down money come give in a week time. Why you are gonna make me go there so now and if you go work hard and suffer out yourself to take care of it?
A trick you want trick me. Me hear what you say. And you think me stupid. Everybody always think me stupid. So you want go foreign go run way. And don't remember say me out of the breed for
Oh,
you.
you go run and a filing.
Me care for filing. You want run way and don't come and you pick me. Well, make me tell you something. Me have news for you because your papa have to know about this and got here. Oh, try hold your head, but that me I tell you. And you get me very upset too, you know. You know say they get me upset. Eh?
If you have come here, you come
Me
here.
a comb your head, but when you come tell me about say you want to go foreign and left me and your poor Pickney out here to suffer. Me don't feel good about it. Oh, me don't feel good and you make me change my mind from comb your head too. You make me change my mind. You know what? Me come galang in go lie down and you better carry breakfast in a bed come give me. You hear what me say? And anytime you know say you don't have a proper reasoning for me, you know, me no want you hold no conversation with me. You hear me? Cause all you no mind things say me
you come up here
idiot.
to run this yard and I see say you have everything planned out, you know.
Then you should have know that before you pregnant me. You should have known. And sit down, me say, come here chat to you. Don't go walk off for me.
You see if you never did a breed?
Yes.
And me hand back me the leg of this man.
Give me your hand back, no? And that's your feed. Give me your hand back. You don't know me, you know? You think I did school girl where you bad up for me lunch and then sitting there. Yes, man. Me ready for you, me hot for you, cause me the car you pick me. Yeah. Alright, give me a kiss, me man.
You got for me now,
Give
man.
me a kiss now.
You got for
And
me
make me
now?
go and go receive baby for you. You know say I love you, make me the gala summer.
Got for me,
Could
me go sleep up here
you-
before mommy
give-
come.
Give your wife to be a kiss now.
Me nah married you, me not tell you that already.
What make you say you not married me? You know see how me look good. Me look good and
Never
you,
plan to
and
spend
you
the rest
look
of my
good
life
too.
with you.
Oh God.
Never plan that out.
I share me.
Never plan that out.
So what you want from me when you pee-pee on me? Eh? What you did plan?
I mistake that.
Oh God, what you do me suffer? Me look like me nah no sense. Well alright, me I go let you cause me see say you have everything planned out. The same way you have everything planned out, remember say me have it planned out too. Oh.
I don't even know how me get myself in there, you know.
Wife? Look like she tired. My wife,
Yes, my husband.
I'm ready to go now.
Ready to go where?
Don't I tell you this morning I'm going for Petra?
Lord have mercy! They are just like, you know. What you want to do? You want to mad me?
It's 8 o'clock, my wife.
So what if it's 8 o'clock? Lord have mercy, I thought we talked about this last night. Why you come provoking me so early in the morning?
Wife, you know, see, last night I was twisting and turning in the bed. I have reckless night last night, you know.
Well, if you have reckless night, you should have parked the vehicle that is not reckless on the road. Park and relax yourself.
My wife, I can't function without Petra here, my wife.
You can't function without her. Take your mind off her. Simple as that.
My wife, what make you must be so cool?
I am.
We only child, you know, my wife.
I don't say no, but you know
You're
what
very
happened?
cool.
I am not cold. You remember when she first pregnant? And I said you must make she stay? And what did you tell me? You said no, she can't stand. So when I think about it, I said, you're really right. Because if me, you, and she come here with Pickney, God and the wall, 2 Pickney, she can't come here. Hungry kill we down here. It cannot work, my husband. And
Why?
I'm tired of this. I'm tired of you
God.
bothering me about Petra.
God.
No.
Wife, Errol mother have to stand up to the responsibility, you know. So what you mean by hungry I go kill we? Huh?
What you mean by error?
Errol mother have to feed her here. Right?
Is Errol mother breeder?
It's Errol breeder.
Then that's why Errol shouldn't stand up to the
Well, you have to
responsibility.
get to work. Right? I'm not comfortable without Petra here in the house.
I see from long time you poor little girl. That's why I'm breed pan you. You know that? You poor little girl. So that's why she go road because.
Yes, me spoil her because I'm a one child. I'm a one the best for her. I'm not gonna make a next woman mind my little daughter.
Look,
Right?
you want.
She's expecting a baby now. And she should be right by my side.
Oh.
By our side of
Not
my
by my side. To get me out of your dirtiness. By who side? Not by my side. I don't want no grand Pickney by my side.
You say you is a Christian, you know. And when me search through the matter, you know, I never know say you would have let down the gospel.
Me?
Right? I
Let
never
it
know
down.
you would have let down the
I am
gospel.
living up for the gospel. That's the reason why I'm standing my ground. She cannot come here. Why you mean that I'm letting down the gospel, my husband? That is not a good word for my husband to
But
say.
in the Bible it said do unto others like how you don't want them to do unto you, right? Petra is going through a phase in life right now. And we are the parents. We should be right by our side, holding hands and hands. Right? I don't say what she do is right. But she make a mistake and we are the parents. We should help her through this.
I don't say no, but you know what is wrong with us Jamaican parents? They Pickney them go to road and do them dirtiness, their stinkingness. I'm upset, so I have to chat it raw. Don't care if you are upset.
Listen to me.
When they do their dirtiness, they come back in the house with it, and parents rub it down, polish it down, as if nothing is wrong. Well, let me tell you I am not one of the parents.
Well, me
You
wife,
are, I am not.
what I am saying to you right now,
I am listening.
I see this conversation not going anywhere.
It is
So
going somewhere.
before I stand there and have to fist you with this hand here.
Fist me because
You
of you
understand?
Pickney? You want to fist me?
Let me-
Come back here. Fist me because of Petra. I'm talking to you, you're not leaving.
My wife, I try put on this badness in her.
No, you don't
You
put it down
understand?
because you won't offer me fist.
Put it down in her, my wife. Because me and you would have hold a show down in this.
What is
Yeah,
the show
put
me
it
are
down.
holding now? It's a show. You're not going up there. You understand?
Let
You
me have
hear
a
me?
stick.
You hear me?
Let me
You
have
don't
a
go
stick.
there.
I see what this thing leading to, you know.
I am glad
And mind
you see it.
you are not the one who leave out of this house, you know. You hear what me tell you? Mind me not pack out the thing never take you left out of me yard, you know.
See?
You hear what me I say?
Hi.
Don't make me go back to the stage where me I come from. I am a changed man.
Feel
And
it,
don't push me to be.
I am
You hear what
pushing
me
you.
say? Don't push me.
Is Petra pushing you to disrespect me? Lord have mercy upon me soul. Hi. You see me dying trial? Alright. Him say him going up there. Okay, go on. When him go up there, I go up there go disrespect him and disgrace him up there. Lord have mercy upon my soul. You see me one Pickney when me give me all and things that the spin would and turn out to sit and go the Pickney make me husband turn for me. Lord help me. Me man when me and him they come from nowhere saying go and dash me out for the legal. Well alright. And that the girl they want come live with me in here so. He might go see what gonna happen. I'm going up there when me know say him catch. Too much of one thing good for nothing. Errol. What's here? Errol.
Yes, mommy.
You still a choppy yard after me leave you for how long? So you clean up the place.
Mommy, then think I take time for chopping now.
Take time what? Tell me something. Carry this gun go. Make breakfast.
How we have bring that gun give me for?
Me bring it come
here.
here.
Yard, me there start chop.
Yeah, but for a man, you chop a place, so you should have finish from long time. So me say go make her breakfast. Take this from me. So what happened to you? Why you look like that?
Mommy, now make no breakfast to Petra, man.
Why? What happened? Why you don't want to make breakfast? Are your responsibility, you know,
Yeah,
sweetheart?
but Missy say you treat Petra like say she a queen from she come here, now, mommy.
Why you see me a treat
Petra
her
in a
like
house in a bed a while ago she come out here and come and talk about say me must bring breakfast in a bed come give her and sit. Yeah, make you feel like say she had too much queen, mommy. She supposed to can go in her house and in the kitchen and go do something.
She just come here and is the first man in fear and you want her going in my kitchen?
So why
Yeah?
my first morning she not fin
Well, it's you.
Sure.
Listen, it's you if you go tell her what to do. It's not my responsibility. Me not have to chat to her. It's you. She come up here too. You never know that.
She all come all a talk about say she no want no Jamaican baby clothes.
What do you mean that she don't want no Jamaican baby clothes? So you and I have a proper discussion. You and I
fed
have
up of this thing here right
fed
now,
up.
you know, I just feel like runway now.
runway. It just happened. So how you go runway left it? How you go runway and it just happened? And me no understand what you say. What you mean by she say she don't want no Jamaican clothes?
Say a foreign, she must call my father and tell him to buy baby clothes then.
She bright so. She want you call Gab for buy Pickney clothes and it's your Pickney and it's your responsibility. It's not going to happen. What she mean by she want foreign baby clothes?
When me the figure out, you know, you and my mother, you're supposed to stand up on my side. This morning, the first thing I should have do is pack up her clothes them and send her back down her yard. You have her itch up in her yard like say a fear yard is.
You lick your head. You lick your head. It's serious thing this, you know. You
What
never know.
serious thing?
If our parents carry her down a station, you know what can happen?
Mom, me no response to what happen. But she come here and she come like that she want to take over everything from me.
Take over everything from you. So you never know say when you peeping a people pick me. When you pissing a people girl pick me, you don't know say all of this can happen.
I never knew
And
say
all of
nothing
your
could happen,
freedom,
man.
you're lucky and
Because
all of
the
your
people
freedom
that teach
over. Me no need to teach you nothing because uno big.
Me not talking mood there right now, you know.
Listen me, I feel like I done collar you, you know, boy. I feel like I done deal with you, you know, boy. I feel like I done lend you my hand, you know, boy. You know, you're not talking with me. When you should have shut your mouth when you look the people, them girl Pickney. You never shut it. I know you want to come talk about you, you're not talking with me. Listen to me. I don't want, listen to me. I don't want to lick off your face. Moreover, you feed the fallen for a morning.
My home if you do so much thing in the
Wait,
yard. Everything me have to do in the yard.
Everything you going to do. And guess what? You have many more things to do us from now. Left where
That
you
shop
do.
yard me have to go feed for.
Yes.
Where you want me to do in this
Oh, you mean,
place here?
go right now, go feed the fowl them. Because I don't want hungry kill them. Because I know you don't feed them for a morning. And don't come hype up on me. Don't come hype up on me. Who you for hype up on, you not hype up on. Eh? Hype up on that will give you a problem. Hype up on this will give you a problem. You hear me say? And this your problem I put you in a trouble this morning. And that you for hype on. Talk to that and rough up that. When it give you a problem. You hear me say? Don't come talk to your mother so. Move from the phone woman lend a man and I'm move from your son man. Look how you want to come argue with your mother. You have no manners.
Never know say one mistake you make in a life, you know, can make every destruction come down upon you, you know. My time I just feel like if I run away, you know, because if I run away, you know, all of this way over, you know. Because nobody wouldn't there fear pressure me, nobody wouldn't there fear talk about baby, nobody would in my ears and tell me all type of something, you know. Look how much pressure come down upon me alone. So, and mommy if they on my side, she they on Petra's side. Every little thing, she just jump down for me for nothing at all. I come like say a Petra right. She not fi tell Petra say what she do wrong too. Sure. Every little thing a problem now for me. Everything a problem. And I go on like say me alone do things. Petra no could tell me say no too.
Monica? Monica?
Yes, who is that?
Jeremiah? Don't bother with them type of date here, you know.
Mas Jeremiah, what is it again? What you want? What you want? Me can't take any more stress enough. I don't want you to come to my house, man. What is the problem?
I don't come here, Monica, to give you any stress. I come here this morning to relieve you of your stress.
You're not going to relieve me of my stress, man. You're bringing up stress on me and I can't deal with you anymore. We already talked yesterday. Will you come to my place so early for? Will you come here for?
Monica?
Me tear down, man.
Monica, just give me a chance to
Me
talk.
tear
now.
down, no. Me tear down, you and your Pickney.
Give me a chance to talk.
What
now.
is it?
Right? I come this morning
To
to make
torture me.
peace.
To torture me.
To make peace.
Let me hear what
Right?
you have. Let me hear what you have to say.
Last night, I was home thinking, right? I said I come to take back Petra home.
What?
I come to take back my daughter.
Really?
Yes, I said I come to make peace this morning, right?
Oh, girl. Thank you very much. You
But
come
my
for your daughter?
Miss Monica,
Oh, Lord.
my
It's
wife,
the best
listen
thing
to me.
you ever say.
Miss Monica, give me a chance to chat now,
You know,
man.
because me happy. All right, talk.
My wife not pleased with it.
Mhm.
She said you should stay with Petra, but
Oh, Jesus.
to tell you the honest truth, Monica, I can't sleep at night time.
She
Because
torturing you?
no, I'm used to Petra in the house.
Oh,
right?
Jesus. You're used to your daughter. That is very nice.
Having sleepless night, Monica.
Oh, Lord. And I guess she's having the same thing. She must want to come home too.
So how Petra behaving up
How's
here?
she doing? Well, all right. I hope that when she wake up this morning, she's on the right side. Me never know if you're picking on a manners. What kind of picking on a girl? That is not a child at all. That's a hooligan.
What you mean?
Oh, you mean what me mean?
Petra is well behaving and
Well
manners
behaving
are
where? Where? She nearly beat up me and my son last night.
My Mighty God.
You know that your daughter come up here and she go in my son's bedroom
Mighty
and
God.
telling my son to come
What you
and
saying?
let them have. You know what I mean?
What you saying?
Yes. And my son said, no, he's not going back there. And she tell him to come and do whatever he wants to do with her. But my son said, no, it's not going to work. So anyway, when I come from work now and we go in the room, she tell me how she now come out of my son's bedroom.
You're telling the truth, Monica?
Yes, and she said she is the
Mighty
woman
God.
now. Because she carry my son Pickney. I am so upset about it. I said, my God, what my son could have ever, how him reach this, sir?
I wonder if it's the pregnancy getting to her head.
Don't even go there and don't say that. You know, always try to find something for pretty up things. Pregnancy get to her what? It's so your Pickney time.
Miss Monica, I never see this side of Petra
Well,
yet.
she's on that side now.
But
And I'm
I'm
just
come here to take
I'm
her
so
home this morning.
happy. I'm so glad. I guess this is the best news I ever have for this long time. I really am. I'm happy and I'm glad you changed your mind. You
So
know.
where is there, Alan?
He's going to feed. Why you styling him like that? He's sad about it. He's sorry, you know. Forgive him, man. I want Mayor to go inside, go sit down so we can talk because I'm making breakfast for Petra and I'll make some for you as well. Petra most glad to see you. Come, my friend. Errol? Errol? Errol?
Yes.
Yes what? Yes what? You don't hear me talking to you, young man? Yes what?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am? Yes, Madam Josiah. Come here. I want to talk to you. What happened between... Put this down out of your hand. Put it down.
The
What is
full
it?
field,
I
ma'am.
said to put it down. Put it down. Put it out of your hand. Right. Good. What happened between you and my daughter? I want to know. How you get pregnant? What happened? Open your mouth, young man. Seems like your mother don't teach you discipline. Open your mouth. What happened between you and my daughter?
Ma'am, it's some misunderstanding.
I am not your mother. I could not be your mother. My name is Madam Josiah. You hear me? Why are you backing away? I'm looking on you good to see if you clean and all of that. Your foot them look dirty. Are them a dirty foot you have for my daughter? Huh? You hear me talking to you, young man?
No, Madam Josiah.
Okay. Anyway, tell me what happened between you and Mother.
Ma'am, it's some misunderstanding, ma'am. I never know so what me do could I make to get her pregnant.
What you mean by you never know what you do could and get her pregnant? What you do to my daughter? So what you do, no lay down together and put yourself on top of one another. You don't know that will make you breed?
Never know, ma'am.
Well, all right. Now that she breed, what you going to do about it? Let me tell you something. Me tell you something.
Ma'am,
You're
ma'am,
going
you well and
to
promise
what?
up.
Tear you up. Listen to me.
You well and promise
You're
up,
going
ma'am.
to do everything in your power for that girl don't come back to me. Do you hear me? Come up here, sir. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Come up here, sir. Everything in your power. I don't want her back down at me yard because me hear me husband say. In coming up here fear. You hear what me say? Me say, you know, you me talking to
Yes, ma'am.
you.
Ma'am, me hear you, ma'am.
want me to
Ma'am,
kill you?
me hear you, ma'am.
I said do everything in your
Hear
power
you.
for she turn up here. You hear me?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
don't want her down there. You think you're
Your
going to make me?
husband have come up here?
Yes, him supposed to come up here already. You don't see him.
No, ma'am. Me
Well-
don't see, ma'am.
Well, listen to me. I said, do everything in your power for making she turn up here. Me no want her down there. You hear what me say?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
you see what I do to you? This is nothing comparing to what else I have to do to you. You hear me?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
hear me?
Ma'am, please, please.
Please what? Your mama no grow you right, so I have to discipline you. And what I said,
You gotta do everything in my power to make she come down
you
there.
better make sure.
Me not
And-
gonna make she come down there, ma'am.
Okay, and tell me something. I realize I see your clothes and all Petra clothes and your mama clothes on the line. Who put them on me? Who washed them?
And my mother washed them
You
this
sure?
morning. Yes,
You
ma'am.
better make sure you not slave out me Pickney up here. You hear what me say?
Yes, ma'am.
After you pregnant me, Pickney, you no want turn her in a slave. And when me take there, I want deal with your properly.
Ma'am, just please.
I say, if you hear what I say,
Me hear what you say.
what I say you mustn't do.
Me know to make she come back. Me gonna do everything in my power.
Alright.
So if your husband come and want, she come down, me go cry and tell him say don't make she come
Because
down.
you love her.
Yes, ma'am.
And she's going to be your wife.
Yes, ma'am.
What me say she's going to be?
My wife.
I want even your ma, the one who it say is our daughter-in-law. That you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you go and tell your mother say is you. You can have a seat here, Mr. Jeremiah.
You have a beautiful home here, Miss Monica.
Thank you very much.
Mighty
You know that
God.
Gab tried to do his best, you know, and try to let us be comfortable, as
I
you
can
know.
see that.
Yes.
The place is nice, man.
Thank you very much. Are you thirsty? I have some lemonade in the fridge. You want some?
Well, you can give me some.
Okay.
You no longer don't see soursop.
Really?
Mighty
We have
God.
a lot of soursop tree up here, man. You didn't
What?
know that?
No.
You can have it when you're going down.
I really appreciate this, Monica.
You can have it, man. But anyway, I was really putting them down for ripe, so when Gab come, he can have them. So him know what soursop juice is like.
You
A
be
refreshing
finally
memory.
taking a trip to Jamaica.
He's thinking about it. He's thinking about it. But because he was doing the filing for Errol, you know, so I don't know exactly when.
Well, that's good.
Let me go for the lemonade before I forget, because you must be thirsty.
So what you're saying, Miss Monica, that Errol is going away?
He's supposed to.
So what's going to happen between Petra and the baby and all of this?
Well, that's the
Did you
same.
tell Gab about what take place?
To be honest with you, I don't as yet. Because remember, everything is happening so fast that I don't even know where to start, because I know that he's going to be so upset about it. But anyway, you have to hear.
That's true.
Yes, and I was thinking, you know, your daughter not easy still, you know. She come up here, and when she come up here, I tell her that she must sleep downstairs in the guest room, and she said she now come out because it's our man room.
Really?
Yes, and say me must go down there, and my son for go down there. And them behavior, I don't like those kind of behavior, you know.
Well,
To be honest, I
well,
don't
Miss
like
Monica, what I was surmising, right? You see, these children nowadays, they have on a mask when them around their parents. And you see, outside, they are totally someone different.
That is true.
You understand?
That is
they
true.
pretend so well. You
Of
have
course.
to catch them in the act.
That is me if I tell you. You know, say, my son said something to me that me not know how me live it out. My son tell me, say him tell your daughter, say, she fi abort the Pickney.
Mighty
And
God.
I will find the money to give to them to go abort the child. When
What?
my son tell me in my face, me nearly drop down. Me say, where you get that from? What kind of thinking? That is a thinking for your child? You know, so say him lose him head. I don't know where they get them dirty behavior
And
from.
if him did suggest that, you know, we that thing say, away here you say.
Me?
Because sometimes when Pickney say some things, you know, you have to wonder if are the parents
Parents
them
them
they
hear
hear it from.
Him not hear it from me at all.
But listen to me, you
I wouldn't want the child to
technology,
do that.
you see technology,
That is
make them very advanced.
Jesus.
Me can barely use one phone. If me want to send a message or send something to WhatsApp, I have to call Petra.
My God.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
She know everything about the phone.
You know what I believe? You see these Pickney? I believe that them pick out the negative things on the internet more than all them pick out the positive.
Refreshing, man.
Thank you very much.
That's
You know what
exactly
I mean?
truth.
Listen, I think that these things are letting these kids just lose them head, you know. And I don't like those things at all. And I'm wondering what I can do, you know, to make it better for the kids.
Well, Miss Monica,
Mm-hmm.
my suggestion, you know, is I come here and I want to take back Petra home, right? I think that is the best
And come
thing to do.
Mas Jeremiah, I understand. But come to think of it, you know, I was thinking, she's carrying my grandchild. I don't think she should have go down there, you know. No disrespect or anything, I may not try to rule you. But when I look at her behavior, she can't grow up the Grand Pickney like that. I mean, I want her to come make the Grand Pickney disrespect us as well.
Yes, but when I'm around or my wife is around, she don't behave like that.
But that's what I'm saying. I would really want you to consider this. Make she turn up here with we, you know. And then when she stay up here with we, if anything in the I'm just saying that weekends or so, she can come down or sleep one night. But what I was thinking, after I talk to Gab, we would want to give you guys some money like for your upkeeping and for you to just fix up the place a little bit. Because if in the future she wants to come down there to stay, the place appropriate for them. But I don't talk to Gab as yet, but I am going to do it so that he can send a little money. Because through my file for the Pickney, you know, I don't want to pressure him as well. But with my money what me I get, me can put little something so.
That's very considerate, Miss Monica. We really appreciate that.
Because me really can't make my Grand Pickney grow in that environment like that. You understand me? So you think it's a good idea for her to stay?
Well, I really want her beside me, but as you said, the levity that we in right now, we cannot afford her to stay there because it's only one room. You understand?
She can come help when you do little something.
Yes.
And you can set up no clothes to wash in the machine and them something.
Okay, Miss Monica. I'll work with that.
Yes, let she
I'll
stay
work
with
with
us.
that, Miss Monica.
You know, because I believe that you try the best with her. But sometimes because of certain things, you know, that the Pickney them go out of the way and all
yeah,
of
and
that,
sometimes it's lack of needs and wants and all of those
Yes.
things. That's truth. And the way I go about it when I come here the first time, I want to apologize. Because
you apologizing to me.
yes, I go about it the wrong way because we are two parents. We should set example in front of the children then.
That's true.
Right?
Yes.
Because our action, you know, can lead to their negative behavior. You understand?
Yeah.
So it's best for us when we discussing certain little matter, we do it by ourselves
Parents,
and
by
don't
parents,
get children
not,
involved.
No, children is children.
Children is children. They're not supposed to if and but in our argument
Yes.
when we are discussing certain things. They must go one side.
And you know what? Let me just fill in something there. Nowadays, I really see that parents, when they go about things with the kids, you know, they make the Pickney in there, they trace the other parents.
That's what that's.
And that's the reason why they really behave like they are big men and women, you know.
Exactly.
You see how we did grow up? When we were growing up, you know, anybody could have scored us on the road, you know.
Not anymore.
You can't do that nowadays. And it is not right at all.
And what I'm seeing, you know, Miss Monica, right?
Yeah.
If I don't talk to you, you know, right?
Mm-hmm.
Your children pass me or your child pass me on the road, you know. Skin up and vex up and attitude, you know.
I know.
When that's
I
not
know.
supposed to be.
No, because what
A
is something...
children is a children.
Them a
And a
picnic.
child is a child.
That is true.
Right?
That is true.
Me and you have something. Me and the child don't have anything. What if the child drop down on the road?
That's what I was coming to.
I am the one who's gonna have to join him or pick him up.
Definitely, or call somebody attention to it.
Right?
Boy, we
We
really
need
have
to make a difference. So our child them can grow up better and their Pickney can grow better.
Right. So that's the reason why I am glad that you come up here, you know.
Yes.
So we can discuss, because we want to break this cycle right here. It's not going down to no more generations. Right? I am happy that you're here. You hear something?
What's that uprolling outside?
It's like I hear Errol mouth out there. Tell you what, the room is down there, downstairs, and to the left. Petra is in that room. You hear? I'm going outside to see what's the problem.
Okay, Miss.
Alright, go ahead.
I'm gonna see what Petra going on with.
Okay.
Come right here. Right here, I said. I am warning you. Make sure when you go inside, you don't mention that I come up here. And you see, if my husband is in there, don't you ever let him know that I talk to you. You hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
And let me tell you this. If any one of you ever take my child and turn her into a slave up here, you will see what I do with her. You hear what me say?
Yes.
Make sure you wash her clothes and do everything for her. You hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
You better get it inside of this. And you don't want to see me back up here. You hear what I said?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Good, good. Move from here. I said to move away. Ugly old crook, you.
Petra?
Daddy, how you do up here?
Child?
You can't look for me.
Yes, my daughter.
I will show you in my room. Come on the bed and sit down, Daddy.
You sure?
Sit down up and for me bed. You see this big pretty bed and pretty sheet. What then give me?
Daughter, tired, I'm tired.
Alright, relax yourself there, son. You know what the pillow behind you?
I'm tired, my
Daddy,
child.
them give me this a pretty sheet, you know. Me plan if you come look for you today and can't come here, you know.
My child, I hear so much about you saying not behaving good.
Say me not be a
Yes.
good daddy.
I hear that
That
this
is
error
not
room.
me.
Listen to me, Petra. I hear that this is error room and them send you downstairs and you decide you're not going down there.
Daddy, I know me take this a room in a error, so me fi come stay in here.
Well, that's not what I hear a while ago. I just speak to Errol, mom.
Well, I know me put myself in here because me would know say error room this here. Me would know.
Well, Petra, I come to take you home, you know.
Take me? No, Daddy. That's not going to happen. Me can't go down there, Daddy. Because then tell me say me fit on.
You know, hear what I'm saying, you know. Come to take you home, but Miss Monica decide to let you stay.
Miss Monica?
Yes.
You know that me they tell us say they love me. Me tell us say they love me. That's why they give me this a pretty room here. Oh, and then take very good care of me.
Petra,
Yes, Daddy.
if you're misbehaving up here, right?
Yes, Daddy.
Please let it stop. Because Miss Monica is a very nice lady.
I know that, Daddy.
Right?
Me no see why me they misbehave though, but me know say she very nice.
And your mom this morning, why? Tell your Petra.
What mommy they got along
I'm
with?
going through a rough,
Me
rough
miss
time.
her too.
She don't
Me
want
miss-
you to come home.
Mommy no want
She
me come
giving
down
me a
there.
hard time this morning. Say I should not come up here. I should let you stay up here. You understand? But I know that is because she's stressed out and stuff like that.
Me
She
don't
just
feel good about that, Daddy.
She just going through a rough time.
What make mommy want me come back at me here?
Because she said no space not down there for the three of us. And now it's gonna be 4.
I true, but that no make me feel good because me love you and mommy and if me want come back at me here, she don't tell me say me no fi come back and me love you no.
That's what she said. If you want to come and visit us, well, it's okay. Right? You can come down whichever day you choose.
Okay, Daddy.
And you know say her hand not so good, so she don't want you wash her clothes, you
Yes,
man, them something there.
me will wash it because me we can't come up here control in a machine if me can't manage
That's
it.
what Errol mother just tell me a while
Errol
ago.
mother see so. Oh God. So Errol mother love me more than what me think.
Yes, Petra, but
Oh,
you're giving her
God.
a hard time.
Alright, me promise to be a good girl, Daddy. Maybe I pregnancy make me the mood swing, so you know.
Well,
I
you
would
blame it
have
on the pregnancy, Petra. Uno children just pretend very well when parents is around. And when parents isn't there, uno behave a different way.
Me no think so,
Well, you
Daddy,
need
because
to-
me no think me
Petra?
no tan so.
You need to change. If you're misbehaving behind my back,
Yes, Daddy.
I come to tell you now, you need to change and fix up your folly ground.
Okay, daddy, me they go change, yeah. Cause me no want make you and mommy shame on me. So
That's it.
me going to be a good girl.
That's it.
Because me can be a good girl. You hear what daddy say? You hear what daddy say? Don't make me disrespect people. So nobody come make me feel bad and get ignorant from people. Cause you they do it.
What you doing, Petra?
Oh, me dey chat to the Pickney and make you know say he nah make me disrespect uno. Oh, cause make me grow up manageable. No true, daddy.
So which day you plan to come home to come and look for?
Daddy, me trying my best to get the rest first because if me don't come down they come watch me have to rest first. So maybe weekend me come down there. Me don't know exactly which day. Yeah. And when me they come, me don't carry some breakfast and some of the breakfast I me get food. No. And see if they have little more stuff me carry food. Yeah.
Right, Petra.
And me don't make me plan say me still a go make error come. Uno cut the yard already?
Oh no, you know say they are not so good.
Alright.
No.
If Errol no come cut it, me don't make him pay somebody if he come cut to New Yard. And me still plan to fix the window, you know? Yeah.
Thank you, Petra.
Me don't take very good care of Uno still even though me pregnant. Yeah. Okay, daddy.
I'm tired, Petra. I'm tired.
Daddy, all of this soon be over, yeah? Where you going home now?
Yes, Petra, I'm going back home, go. Make your mother know what take place because I know say she might be home worrying and vexing up her face and huff and puffing. So, me I go give her the good news where she want to hear.
Okay, daddy, tell mommy say no worry herself, me love her and me they take care of me pregnancy, yeah?
Alright, Petra, when you're ready, you can come home, come look for us, yeah?
Alright, daddy, have a good one.
Take care of yourself.
Alright, daddy. Love you.
Love you too, Petra.
Errol,
Mommy,
what happened? Me hear beer bangarang outside. What happened?
nothing happened, Mommy.
You sure me hear one weapon eyes out here?
Yes, Mommy, nothing happened, Mommy.
Anyway, Mr. Jeremiah is inside, you know.
Eh?
Yes, he's inside.
I come to take home back, Petra.
Why you're saying that?
Nothing, Mommy. So when me da come up here for?
Well, anyway, yes.
Me no want she go home, Mommy.
You don't want her to go home?
No, Mommy, me no want
What
she
you
go.
looking for?
No, nothing, Mommy.
Well, it seems like you're looking for somebody.
No,
You sure
Mommy.
nobody wasn't out here?
No, Mommy. Mommy,
Okay, why you don't want her to go back home?
Me decide say me want she stay up here, Mommy.
That is strange. And last night you quarrel, even this morning they tell me say you don't want her up here. So all of a sudden you change your mind. Well, anyway, Mr. Jeremiah planned that he wants his daughter back home because he can't sleep.
No, Mommy.
Well, alright, the good news is that I talked to him about it. I tell him that it's best if she stay up here. Because through them poor and something, I don't want your picnic grow down there. So I just decide that she wants to stay up here.
Yes, Mommy.
And I'm happy to know that you agree with that.
Yes, Mommy.
Okay, well, you know that we have a problem still, you know. Because we have to call Gab.
Yes, Mommy, anything.
Anything?
Yeah, you can call him and make him know, Mommy.
Yes, him have to know.
Me plan say me now bother, me I tell him no bother with the filing, because me I go decide mine say me I go just get one job and no bother go school.
What?
Yes, Mommy.
So you
me
want
da do
blight in the
something.
future?
Mommy, and my responsibility and me have to live up to it.
But him spend a lot of money. You can't go away and still take care of him.
No, Mommy, me nah bother go away.
Okay.
Me go just stay here and
Alright, after we talk to your father, we'll see what is best. But that just seems strange to me. Alright, come son. Let us go inside. I can see that my husband get very soft. Well, if him gets soft, I am going to be the man. And I know that I deal with it very well. Oh, Lord. And Errol him think him go and breed my Pickney? and leave her like that? He must lose a screw. Well, if him lose this screw, I screw it in back for him today. That will teach him a lesson. Make him know say don't go around and breed people Pickney. Anybody think them bad, make them piss in me Pickney and see what happened to them. Then we see what take place. I go and deal with them case. So I am teaching man a lesson. Let them know where to put them pee-pee pot before them put it in people girl Pickney. Them need to know the responsibility behind pee-pee in a people Pickney. Everybody must think me stupid because me hold them think they go do anything with my Pickney. Them have another guest coming. All right.
Ethic, a long time sister, Petra. Up and Christ who them losing faith. He stand firm and just a cruising straight. When the trumpet sound me be the first at the gate. With the lantern lights sweet to him celebrate. Goodbye world, no more trouble, no pain. Inject me last straight in my vein.
Sing with the fire in me, Lord Jesus. Sing with the fire in my heart and soul. Holy Ghost, take over.
See the grave I just run through your bone. Me I praise my Lord and I use my tone. Oh Lord, you are worthy to be praised. Me not give up cause me know the journey soon over. Me stand firm for me Lord like any soldier. Michael and Gabriel take charge right now.